What up? Castles and beer!
A bumbling tourist UK adventure vlog series.
You should take a picture in the middle of my video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, isn't this place cool?
Yeah.
I like it.
Magical.
Yeah, very magical. In fact, there's a magic store. Look at these jackets. Look at that vest. Is that a vest for ladies? Good lord, that's beautiful. Something happened.
With any sort of Hogwarts Potter thing on it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
What up, coffee?
What up, James? Wanna watch me eat all messy like?
I thought I might.
You want to walk that way? It's kind of cool. Look at that umbrella on your butt. It's a good butt umbrella. Purple hair, purple hair. Purple hair, purple hair. Said it a bunch, but I'll say it again. The best spots are like the little closest off the sides, the main streets. Right? You agree with me?
I don't know.
Yeah, you agree with me.
Alright. We're inside of the Harry Potter shop for most of the heavy rain. It seems to just be misting.
Can't complain about the rain.
I've had this umbrella with me almost every day. Finally getting a bit of use of it.
Finally.
The one I bought in Athens.
It's kind of funny if it would be like the one time you didn't have your umbrellas and it rained.
Yeah.
So we're lucky. Assuming it gets a lot of traffic, so it's kind of blocked off. But I don't want to be disrespectful or anything. It's got its own little walkway. Did you see the bit written about why they made the living wall? Because it was to protect from the inevitable invasion of the British. It's a beautiful cemetery. far away to see, but the red building there, the Elephant House, is where J.K. Rowling wrote at least the first Harry Potter book.
What up, Beer Lao, my good friend?
Oh, I missed you. I'm surprised that Beerlau made its way to Scotland, but not Canada. Come on, Canada. Pull up your socks.
The
get some
US
Beerlau.
has it. Australia has it. Yeah. We're like the only place. What up, Jasmine Green Tea, Mount Fuji Pale Ale? Oh, and that's that close on my face and the beer. Silly boy.